Okay, I made my first cone today. Today's date is February 18th, 2013. I'm going to get a fire going now. I'll be right back. This is my tinder bundle, right here. Okay.
From coast to coast and worldwide on the internet, this is Coast to Coast AM with George Knapp. Now, here's George. That's the Moody Blues, The Other Side of Life. Heard that song driving home from work the other night, and I thought, I'm going to play that for Coast to Coast. I mean, that's a great song. I looked it up, and there's a video goes with it, of course. And I won't say it's cheesy, but it certainly is dated, 1986. But those words, let's lose our way, go completely astray, find ourselves again. I've lived by worse advice over the years. We're talking about that.
This is unbelievable. There's the fire. Here's our first flame. There it is. It's our first flame. Our first hand drill fire. February 18th, 2013. We used a soft drill and a hard base, and it worked. There's this drill that I used. Okay, it's February 18th, 2013, and this is what I used. A piece of burdock, I guess. It's got a very pithy inner core, and I didn't think it was going to work. It's got that pithy soft inner core, and I used the narrow end. As you can see, this piece tapers down to a narrower end. And that's the way I did it. I used the heavy end up top and applied the pressure, and it burned very well. And here's the hole that I made in a hard piece of wood. Let's get under the light a little bit. That's the hole. That's the hole I made with the notch I cut. And I succeeded. And the wood was even split right there. And I used half the depth. I went down halfway. And there's the finger. It's a little bit thinner than a finger thickness. There it is.